Once again, a very good afternoon to one and all present here. On the behalf of Department of Electrical Engineering, Rajki Engineering College Sonbhadra, I, Dr. Vijay Pratap Singh, Assistant Professor, Coordinator of this Faculty Development Program, welcome you all in the validatory session of our online Faculty Development Program on Energy Management and Planning in Smart City for Sustainable Development, sponsored by the AICTE at all. I welcome respected and our most distinguished chief guest of today validatory session, Professor Sandeep Tiwari sir, Director Arishi Ambedkar Nagar, patron of FDP and Director of our institute, Honorable Professor G.S. Tomar sir, Dean Admin, Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir, Dean Academics, Dr. Himanshu, Dr. Amod Kumar Tiwari sir, Head of Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Rajkumar Patel sir, Organizing Committee members, Mr. Umesh Gupta, Dr. T. Chiranjeevi, Mr. Rameshwar Vyas sir, dear participants, once again, I welcome you all in this validatory session. As we know that any beginning has an end, today is the last day of our faculty development program. So I also welcome to all the participants who joined us from the various colleges from other university across the India. Sir, for your kind information, I want to inform you that there are total 14 sessions has been conducted in this faculty development program. 8 session lectures have been taken by the professor from different IITs and NITs, namely Professor S. Chakrabarti sir from IIT Kanpur, R.K. Behra sir from IIT Patna, Professor V.N. Lal sir from IIT BHU, Professor D.P. Kothari sir, Professor R.K. Singh MNIT, Professor A.K. Singh MNIT, Professor Rajesh Gupta sir from MNIT Allahabad. 3 sessions has been covered by the industry experts from different one by Dr. P.S.N. Raju, that is the Head Research and Development in Ampere Hour Solar Technology Private Limited, Pune. Second one was covered by the Mr. Shashank Kumar and his team, Prajay Kumar, the Typhoon Hill Limited, and one exports from Transdig India Private Limited Aerospace, Bangalore, by Dr. Malika Arjun Reddy. I would also like to share with you, sir, that the 2 resource persons from foreign renowned university have delivered their talk. One was delivered by the Professor Nand Kishore, presently working in as a professor in the Department of Østfold University College, Norway. And another was have taken his lecture Professor M.K. Shastri, Namibia University of Science and Technology. We have also conducted stress and yoga management session for the participants as per the AICTE initiative. In last, I would like to thank AICTE Atal for financial sponsorship and giving us an opportunity to conduct FDP on the theme of Smart City. I would also like to give my sincere thanks to all the experts, participants, organizing committee members for their support for the successful conduction of this faculty development program. I would also like to give my sincere thanks to our Honorable Professor, Honorable Director, Professor G.S. Tomar sir, for his kind support, motivation, and encouragement for conduction of this FDP at a wider level. Without your support, it is not possible to conduct such type of FDP at a larger scale. Once again, thank you, sir. In last, I believe that participants have enriched their knowledge and learned new things, and they may develop a complete adequate smart city model for their research purpose. So, with this, now I would like to invite Dr. R.K. Patel, Head EED, to share for his kind words. Dr. Patel, sir, over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Vijay. Good evening to all. As a head of the department, I heartily welcome our today's chief guest, Professor Sandeep Tiwari sir, Director REC Ambedkar Nagar, for this validatory session of 1 week faculty development program on energy management and planning in smart cities for sustainable development, sponsored by AICT Atal and organized by Electrical Engineering Department, Rajkot Engineering College, Sonbhadra. I also welcome the patron of this FDP and our source of inspiration and motivation, Professor G.S. Tomar sir, Director REC Sonbhadra, Dean Admin Dr. B.K. Tripathi sir, Dean Academics Dr. Amod Kumar Tiwari sir, fellow member of the program and participants join us from their workplaces. In this FDP, eminent resource person interacted with the participant during the last 5 days. I hope that the participant enjoy the session and have been added more information, and I am quite sure that course enhance the technical knowledge. At last, I request all the participants to submit their suggestion and feedback form on AICT Atal portal about this course so that the department may improve upon design and conduct of the course in the near future. At the end, I express my gratitude to our Honorable Director, Sir, Professor G.S. Tomar, and also the fellow member, Dr. V.P. Singh, Sir, Mr. Umesh Gupta, Sir, Mr. T. Chiranjeevi, Mr. Rameshwar Baisiji, for all efforts to make this online course as a grand success. And hoping all the participants preferable join this course, the course organized by the department and college in future also. So thank you, Dr. Vijay.
Thank you, Patel, sir, for your kind words. Now, I request from the participants to share their experience and feedback during our FDP conduction, so that if there is any improvement is required in any area, so we can improve it. So I request to the participants, few of them, you may share your experience.
Hello, audible? Hello,
Hello.
sir. I'm Satish Kumar
Good afternoon
Ramaji.
to all. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. You may go ahead with your feedback.
Yeah. So, I want to share my feedback regarding this workshop. Uh, it is really outstanding, and the follow-up has done by the faculty members for attending this workshop. And the sessions which have been conducted since last 4 5 days all are outstanding, and it is quite helpful for us during our research work. Some of the key points we understood where we have some research gaps by, for example, R.K. Behra sir and Kotari sir. So I especially thank to all the faculty members and all the respected dignitaries who have allowed us to and give a chance to attend this. And thank you, one and all, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, sir. I am Satyabrat Rao from Bhubaneswar. I'd like to express my gratitude and thanks to the organizing committee of Rajkot Engineering College for arranging such an nice activity. Special thanks to Dr. Rajkumar Patel, VP Singh, sir. And so the topics are topics are very current, relevant to the current scenario, and the social topics like electric vehicles and hybrid energy storage, microgrid design. These are topics which are related to the current research area and also is related to my research area. So special thanks to the Rajkot Engineering College for arranging such an faculty development program. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Dhiren Kumar Singh. Sir, this is an excellent course, very informative and very well structured, and it was very helpful in understanding the basic concept associated with smart cities. It really gave an insight to smart city concept. It was also clearly explained with examples. And first time to meet my favorite teacher, Mr. Professor D. Kothari sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Myself Abhishek Kumar Singh from JSS Noida. About the FDP was very well organized and very thoughtfully designed also, especially the last session about the stress management and yoga. This is first time I have seen in any at all FDP. This yoga season was incorporated here. Also all the speakers were quite knowledgeable about their work. Okay, thank you.
Dear participants, which corner requires improvement that has to come up to us so that we can improve upon? Because wherever, whatever you do, there is always chance to improve, and that's what we need.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, very well, very well.
Yes.
Good afternoon to all. I am Virendra Kumar M. Thakkar. I am Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering from GB Pal Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pauri Garhwal in Uttarakhand. This is the second Atal FDP that I attended on smart cities. And I will compare that with another one that I attended, that is IIM Kashipur. Is there some echo in my voice?
No, very
Okay,
well
okay.
audible.
So actually, Atal FD is there attended in an year, and I had already attended participated in 3 FDPs. So I was somewhat say hesitant that on the same topic, but when I found that it is Atal certified and as was just now told, are from NITs and IITs. So doing from a new engineering college like Sonbhadra was not a problem, and particularly since I knew Dr. G.S. Tosab, and since I'm his friend since last 4 years, so I decided to register for this FDP and registered it just almost 1 month before. And as far as all the sessions are concerned, so they were very good. This smart cities being particularly interdisciplinary field, so faculty members from all different disciplines like civil engineering, structural engineering, mechanical, automobile, and even 5G technology was discussed. So electronics and computer technology. So is really an interdisciplinary field, and I enjoyed all the sessions. Particularly these FDPs, that is online FDPs, have an advantage. Borders means I didn't feel that we belong to different engineering colleges, but almost as if we belong to same institution, and got also familiarized with many faculty members. Particularly the organizers were very cooperative, and it also has an advantage that it narrows down all the differences of the state borders and even the different institutions, and simultaneously it doesn't hamper our office work. Particularly the timings were convenient, and even somewhat multitasking can be done, as most of the many participants and sometimes even the organizers do themselves. So it doesn't hamper the work of our institution, and therefore it is very useful to all participants, and getting familiarized with new technologies is very essential. Lastly, I would just have one suggestion that I have written in all my feedback forms also, that it will be nice, sir, if you share all the say presentations and recordings with the participants. So with that, I end. Thank you very much, sir. Particularly, thank you the organizers from particularly the team from the electrical engineering department, and of course Professor Tomar Saab for organizing this wonderful FDP. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, welcome. It's a director is just for the namesake. Team is different.
Yes, yes,
Only
okay,
for
sir, okay, sir,
namesake.
okay, okay.
Sir,
Yes, yes, okay.
Sir, Viren
Okay.
sir, sorry to interrupt. Viren sir, actually,
Uh,
all the recorded lecture is already uploaded on the YouTube channel. We will provide to all the
yes,
participants.
sir.
Just you
So,
provide
so,
link to all participants.
okay,
Sure,
sir. You
sure.
may please send the link by email or through WhatsApp group. I'm in that WhatsApp group also. So that will be very useful to us in future also. And maybe we can teach some of the concepts to our students also, sir. Thank you.
Sure, sure. Vijay sir, over to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, all the participants, for their feedback. Now, may I request to invite the patron of this FDP and the director of our college, Honorable Professor G.S. Tomor sir, for his kind words at this occasion.
Thank you,
Sir.
Dr. Vijay. It's my honor to host Professor Sandeep Tiwari, Honorable Chief Guest for today. My colleagues, all participants from various states. These all FDPs, whatever we are organizing, whether it's organized here or in some other institutes, it's for interaction and value addition. Because everything is known to everyone. Being in this field, you know that everyone is knowing if it is from electrical engineering or whatever subjects are there. Something we know, but we do not know how to present the way different person is presenting. So it is not only the knowledge, it is a value addition in our delivery style because it's for faculty. If someone is delivering the same thing, two, three type, if three persons are there, three types of delivery mechanism you will learn. So these FDPs are meant only for that. Out of that, sometimes we get new concepts or new material. That is our what we call it. It's interest on your whatever you have your concepts. But one more thing what we should take away from this FDP is how to find various topics or titles for projects for students. That can be very well taken from these FDPs. Because being one more thing, first of all, we should not think that we are, because in teacher or this faculty fraternity, what we think that we have no role in society. You have maximum role not in the society, you have maximum role in GDP of the country. You know it. Take it any fraternity other than this faculty or industry. In fact, every concept or every development is on your shoulders. GDP is never increased by administrator or by politicians. The GDP is always improved by engineers whom we produce. So we should feel proud of that. And for them, we need to read, learn, and come up with new concepts. So our whatever products are going out are with more value. Then they will have more productive analysis or whatever analytical power we are giving. So FDPs are basically to improve our analytical power and to improve our delivery style. You may be knowing many things. You must have seen people are having very thousand papers and 100 patents, but they are not able to deliver it to the student because when you are at that level, you do not think the lower down. If person is from IIT, he doesn't think that what input we are getting because we are getting input lowest and highest, both the things we get. IIT doesn't have that input. So we need to learn how to deliver the best of available things to our entire lot. So we have with the zero concept to 100% concepts. So it's very difficult to deliver. So we need to learn new and new things in such FDPs. And certainly, if you are organizing such FDPs where you have faculty from every place, you learn even their culture also. And this is the only one thing we cannot get on online FDPs. Dr. Thakkar said very well that we can work both ways. So sometimes we distribute our energy at two places. So faculty's development program should be at least always face to face at one place where we learn each other's culture also. So that is one lacuna in online FDPs. And our entire energy is not focused on FDPs when we are online. Because when you are online, sometimes you may be taking your lecture also or other in-house task. So it distributes our energy. We are not able to concentrate. Hopefully the next FDP, whatever we are organizing or you are organizing, is physical, where we will get more and more. So it is not only technical value, we need to have cultural values also. We need to learn from each other's culture also. And then only we can know the society and we can do something to society. So thank you very much. And it's a good thing that we have good fraternity in this program. And hopefully you will do better than this. Thank you very much. Over to Vijay.
Thank you, sir, for the kind words. It's always inspiring to hear from you. Now it's time to everybody wants to listen from our chief guest. So before I invite him for his kind words, let me cite his brief biography. Professor Sandeep Tiwari is presently working as the director of Rajki Engineering College, Ambedkar Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Previously, he was the director of Krishna Engineering College, Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. He having more than the 25 years teaching experience. As the director, Dr. Tiwari has immensely contributed to the overall growth of the colleges and has helped various project scales new height. He has been an eminent position at various institutes. He joined Accurate Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida, as professor and head of mechanical engineering for 2 years. However, within a short span of 1 year, he progressed and attained the position of the director. Prior to joining the institute, he also worked as a professor and head of mechanical engineering department at College of Engineering and Technology, IILM AHL. In addition to that, he had also served as an associate professor, reader, and assistant professor at various pioneer engineering institutes. As a part of industrial experience, Dr. Tiwari worked and gained enormous understanding as a production engineer with 2 renowned companies, namely Tribhuvan Steel Industries Limited, Lucknow, and Subhas Project and Marketing Limited, Delhi. Along with this, he has also published more than 75 publications in various national and international journals and conferences under his name. With this record of influent academic and industry experience, time and gain, he has been conferred circular roles, crucial roles of the head examiner and observer by the various government examination bodies. Owing to his virtues such as result-oriented approach, integrity, commitment, creativity, and innovation, his quest and desire for a persistent improvement through in-depth teaching and monitoring make him an adored leader amongst his team members. So now I request, sir, please share your views at this particular occasion.
Thank you, Dr. Vijay. Thanks to Honorable Director Professor G.S. Tomar, sir, Director RUC Sonbhat, for providing me opportunity to interact with all of you. The overview which you have provided me just before starting of this session that 14th session has been conducted by pioneer professors, because the words which has been shared by Professor D.P. Kothari is still hammering in my mind. During his short interaction, he has shared how you can take benefit of his expertise. That is appealing me too much. Immediately, I have called Professor G.S. Tomar sir, said, sir, really we have to do a lot for the society. How we can develop our REC in the best manner, why we are not getting any good ranking whenever university is declaring ranking. No REC is surviving anywhere in first 15, 20 or 30 institutes. So how we can develop our institute in the best manner? Always I am interacting with Professor G.S. Tomar. I will not hesitate to share with all of you that he is my mentor also, because the kind of expertise which he is carrying from 2010 onwards, he has served and completed successfully so many international projects, and the kind of social and academic collaboration with world renowned universities in India as well as abroad, that is amazing. First, I would like to salute Professor G.S. Tomar sir on this open platform. And second thing, I am very much impressed with the team members of REC Sonbadh. The way you have contributed for the smooth conduction of this workshop is amazing. So I have few inputs only, that smart city is very burning field nowadays. Everyone is talking about smart city, but whenever we are living in any smart city, we should also be smart. So what kind of smartness is required to avail these kind of modern facility should also be explored. And whenever Professor Tomar also shared about projects, whenever we are assigning any project to our students, always we are assigning those projects in which we are comfortable to guide them. If they are struggling to complete their project, we can provide our best support. But we are not assigning any crucial or critical project in which we can also struggle for the completion of that assigned project. My dear faculty members, I would like to request you all, please challenge yourself. Then only you can stretch your potential. God has provided lot of potential. If we will not explore, certainly we cannot move forward. And the kind of good words which you have earned by all attendees, that is also amazing. So best of luck for future. I am quite sure under the able leadership of Professor G.S. Tomar sir, you will achieve good heights in coming days. Best of luck. Thanks for inviting me on this platform. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So now
May I
permission, take chief guest permission for vote of thanks.
Please proceed.
Now I would like to invite Dr. T. Chiranjeevi sir for vote of thanks.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Respected and our most distinguished chief guest of the day, Professor Sandeep Tiwari sir, Director, Rajkiya Engineering College, Ambedkar Nagar. Respected patron and our director, Professor G.S. Tomar sir, Dean Admin, Dr. D.K. Tripathi sir, Dean Academic, Dr. Amod Kumar Tiwari sir, Head of the Department, Dr. Rajkumar Patel sir, Coordinator, Dr. Vijay Pratap Singh sir, fellow organizing secretaries, Mr. Umesh Kumar Gupta sir and Mr. Rameshwar Vyas sir, other delegates and participants. It is a great honor and a privilege for me to propose the vote of thanks for this valedictory ceremony of 1 week faculty development program on energy management and planning in smart cities for sustainable development, sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Academy. First of all, I would like to give my hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Professor Sandeep Tiwari sir, Director, REC Ambedkar Nagar, for gracing today's occasion. Thank you, sir, for your very thought-provoking and interesting address. I would like to express my profound gratitude to our Director, Professor G.S. Tomar sir, for all the motivation and support to organize this FDP on such a large scale in our college. We are grateful for your invaluable guidance and support all through, sir. Last but not the least, I am extremely delighted to express my sincere vote of thanks to all the organizing committee members, staff of Rajkiya Engineering College, Sonbhadra, who have worked very hard in making all the necessary arrangements in order to make this FDP a grand success. Once again, at the end, I thank all for your cordial cooperation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Chiranjeevi sir, for your kind words.
Vijay sir, there is a request. There is a request to Sandeep sir on behalf of REC Sonbhadra. Sir, I request to visit REC Sonbhadra if you find some free time. So we will be very happy to see you here. So it's my request and request on behalf of REC Sonbhadra also, sir.
Sure.
Yeah, today I'm very happy to see you after a long time, sir, online mode. So,
Thank you. Thanks for your kind words. Certainly, I will visit.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Very soon he'll be coming. Okay, thank you, sir. So
Thank you, sir.
See you again.
Thank you, sir.
Take your leave.
Thanks to all. Thanks to all.
Dear participants, quiz links has been shared in the chat box. So take your time and submit your quiz within the 25 minutes. Thank you. Thank you all. Patel sir.